Video na tayo.
Good morning guys.
Kain tayo.
Kain tayo guys.
Hapunan.
Kain tayo guys. Pero ako tapos na guys. Busog na ako eh. Ako na namin. Galing pa to guys sa... Galing pa to sa kuwan. Pistahan. Kakauwi lang namin. Galing sa pistahan. Dala namin. Ulam galing dun.
Magkutara. Kain. Hindi mo tagas-tigas nga lang pero masarap na. Makita yung ating ano ah. May ano pa sa lamisa. Karang.
Ubusin mo kanya mo video yan.
Kain kami magpamilya.
Tubig. Ay, ang kanin.
Kanin.
Kunti lang.
Thank you Lloyd. Nakaraos na naman kami ng isang araw.
Kalibre na naman kami ng ulam ha. Padala galing sa aming kamag-anak ng aking Mrs. Pamangkin. Ano na?
Wala.
Kanin?
Kami yung ganyan ko. Hindi na ako. Busog na tayo. Saan mo nilagay yun?
Pichi.
Ay,
Tigas.
ano pala na naman si Pichi? Huwag ka maglaglag sa kwan po. Sigurado, pag yan nagkwan, lang kami yan.
Wala na, pinuha na agad
Ay,
yan.
sasabihin mo kinuha yung kwan yan.
Tama na yan siya. Hindi pwede ikaw mag-permit niya. Hindi naman buto yun. Bukto ba kayo ito na? Dapat sinip-chip mo lang ito na. Ito yung na ito nang tapos.
Papa. Pa.
Huwag nang bigyan.
Well, let's hear it. There's a fire truck out there for you because you're a bit too hot. What a coincidence. I'm actually a fireman. Are you really? Yeah. I find them hot and leave them wet. Here's my number.
Uncle Fred.
One. All right. Okay.
Not for your homie.
What is that, lost?
What do you doing? Bro,
Free. I want free. I only want free.
for your armor, 1, 2, or 3.
I'll go one.
Bro, why you look at me weird like that, bro?
Hey. Oh, look. Whoa, what is that?
Hey, for your legging, 1, 2, or 3.
Free. No.
Oh, you already picked it. No. For your boots, 1, 2, or 3.
What are those, like, studs at the
Bro, why? What are you looking
One.
over here, bro?
You picked, like, all the good ones, bro.
For your special item, 1, 2, or 3.
Or two.
Now this is the mod you're gonna fight, okay? 1, 2, or 3.
It's
Whoa, what did you just say?
one.
Okay. What you want then? Alright, now this is the amount of mark you're gonna fight. 1, 2, or 3.
What is that number on one?
You got a rocket launcher, and you got the special helmet, netherite chest plate, and you got a leather pants, diamond boots, and for your special item, you got a chin gun ammo. For the mob you're gonna fight a big skeleton. Take a level 1, 2, 3.
The fleeing soldier realized his body was slowly sinking. He had stumbled into a swamp. Behind him, the sound of footsteps was getting closer and closer. He had no choice but to keep moving forward before the swamp swallowed him whole. He sheer willpower. He managed to grab onto a branch near the edge. Slowly but surely, he dragged himself out of the swamp. His troubles were far from over. Soon, the soldier arrived at the military security zone. South Korea in the distance. He spotted South Korean soldiers on patrol just as he was about to approach them for help. Disaster struck. He took a single step forward and landed right on the landmine. As he opened his mouth to call out, he suddenly felt a cold pellet gun pressed against the back of his head. It was the North Korean officer who had been hunting him down. The soldier told him he was standing on a landmine. Then, seizing the moment, he turned and grabbed the officer, saying it made no sense to fight now. But the officer refused to listen. The two men started grappling right there in the minefield. Seeing no other option, the soldier threatened to take them both down. He looked at the foot that was on the landmine, but to everyone's surprise, it was a dud. In the next second, the officer tackled the soldier to the ground. The military pistol flew several meters away. As the officer began brutally beating him, the soldier waited for the right moment, then landed a powerful punch that knocked the officer to the ground. Wasting no time, he
Ito po guys, nang babag ko ako. Ayan na. 1 divided by 3 lang. Melang. Kayo mga magpapalo. Guys, nandito po kami sa dagat. Ay, nandito po sa ano po. Ay po, dito po, dito klase.
Inis ka.
Ayan po, ganda po dito. Maligo. Doon po kami.
Tawid.
Doon po kami.
Tawid ka pa.
Tara.
Hindi ka lang
Doon po kami.
Ihahagis talaga kita.
Maganda nga po doon eh. Doon po kami maliligo na po. Sila mama po. Ayan po. Uy, ang beer na ano ba? Yun o.
Ano yan?
Ano?
Pato.
Oh my God, may pato.
Pato yun.
Lagi ng ating dati, ano?